In this video, I'm going to show you how to import components in Tinkercad circuits. Now, the first thing I have to tell you, which is the most important, is that if you have an external file, whichever type it might be, you can't actually upload it or import it inside your components in Tinkercad circuits. It doesn't support that feature. So the only thing you can do is actually import them over here from these libraries you have at option. Now, as you can see here, by default, there's just a few things. So if you want like something extra, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it, because there's actually a lot of things, but it may be a bit hidden. So over here on the right, where you can see of course your components, if you don't, just click on this arrow to pop up this side panel. You want to go to the top where it says components and switch from basic to all. Now whenever you do this, you can see over here all the components are going to show up, and of course for starters it's going to be the same thing. You can just click on all over here and you'll be able to see all of them as well, and this is going to give you a huge list of different components you can use. Now these are going to be the components, of course, created by Tinkercad, and as well as some others over here which have been added to the libraries. So as you can see here, you can either scroll down and there's going to be a bunch of different things, and you can of course just click and drag to import. So just click and drag and it's going to get imported here onto your project. Or you could go and search up top. So if I go and search for example, something like LED, it's going to pop up all the things I can find, and if I click on it, it's going to open up, and then you can just go and drag it and you are good to go. Okay, so that's of course one way to do it, but then you have all the starters in here as well. So if you want these, there's a bunch of different ones as well, but that's essentially the only way to actually import components, and it is from the all menu over here. So if you were confused and we're only seeing these basic things over here, all of them are available under the all menu, and you can just go and import them on here like this. Okay, so that's really the only way to do it. As I said, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.